fam. Shout out to Philly Fix for giving me the drop on the hack that's coming at the end of the video, so stick around for that. Right now, shout out to Kimazon and Eugene for both telling me about the M12 compact blower. I am undecided on this one, fam. I'm thinking about it. It looks, it's a tiny blower. It's not really going to move a whole lot of leaves and stuff like that. But will it blow away sawdust, debris, stuff like that on the job site? Flat surfaces, not uneven surfaces, it might. There's 659 available, 79 bucks. Will it beat the Ryobi, little tiny handheld inflator blower thingamajig? I have no clue, but I guess now I have to find out. But that's not why y'all are here. Y'all are here for this. The hack is back, fam. Philly Fixed saw this a little while ago and he told me about it. As always, y'all know how the hack works. If y'all want the 2 batteries, roll with the M12 Rocket Light. That is the most expensive item. It will give you the cheapest batteries. Multiple of these items, the bare tools, are going to be available in your stores. So if you want just the bare tool, like that circ saw, I keep using the circ saw as an example. Regardless, if y'all want something like that, add them to the cart. You'll be able to split them up in the cart. You can see the price is back to $199. I told y'all, fam. I told y'all it'd be back. They got almost 4,000 of those 6.0 starter kits to get rid of and unload. And there you go. Look at that. Store pickup for the bare tool. Not the starter kits, though. I think they had issues setting those aside at the stores for the promo, which, like I said, is not supposed to start until the 13th. And they jumped the gun again. Oh, jeez. Home Depot needs Viagra. Anyways, links for all these deals for these 2 items, as well as the other starter kit that's the lower tier starter kit. It includes the Dremel, stapler, some other odds and ends, lower level tools like that. That link will be there as well. That's it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.